just going to show you how to reset the service light today on a Mercedes SL55. To start with, we'll just turn the ignition to stage 1. And you can press the up arrow there and just cycle through until you get the spanner there and the service A. Now once that's up, press and hold the button there, and release the button, press and hold for 3 seconds again. That's it, service has been reset. Now you can scroll with the up arrow again, and you can see that's all been reset there. It now tells you that service B, and that's due in 15,000. Thanks for watching, guys.